Thank you for joining me. This is Doreen Velin in San Pancho, and we'll go on many more little jaunts in my gypsy life. Show you some different ways of life. And this is a lighthouse here at the point, and a restaurant that wraps around it. Not sure if it's a private restaurant. I think it's fully owned by this property. It's their own restaurant. Not sure. We'll find out tomorrow night because we're going to eat there, whether it is private or if it's public. That's down there. Looks like he's got a fishing pole in his hand, but he doesn't. That's the sailboat. It's kind of a cool picture. These are all little cabanas along here that you could find a little quiet place to hide out. And they're all through here. All little places. It's so quiet and relaxing and calming. It's not a place where there's children or a lot of activities. There's no activity director. It's very, very quiet and serene. And I think it's great for people who just want to get away from all the hubbub and have a quiet place to sit around a pool every day and just relax. It's very beautiful. It is a very nice place. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe, then you can stay with me and just travel along beside me.